A delegation from the Malaysian Timber Council (MTC) led by CEO Madam Noraihan Abdul Rahman visited ICA40 Sdn Bhd on 14 March 2024 to explore the potential of Internet of Things and lean manufacturing solutions offered by the centre. The delegation received a warm welcome from Mr. Ng Kin Tong and IR Dr. Ng Kin Ng, founders of ICA40. Emphasizing digitalization and automation in manufacturing, ICA40 offers consultancy, training and implementation services to guide businesses in embracing technologies like Industrial Internet of Things and Big Data Analytics. This aligns perfectly with the timber industry's goal of enhancing efficiency and adaptability. The visit included live demonstrations and showcased hardware that combine the power of IoT with the proven principles of lean manufacturing, holding immense potential to transform businesses in the industry. Discussions centered on potential collaboration with MTC's Lighthouse initiative, leveraging ICA40's expertise to advance the timber industry further. Accompanying Madam Noraihan were MTC's Deputy CEO, Mr. Mokhtar Muhammad Yaakob, and other staff members. The visit was also attended by a representative One Tech Sdn Bhd, Mr. Haris Rizwan.